Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the Roadman, and today guys, I'm here at this beautiful shopping mall which you can see behind me, which is called the Waterfalls shopping mall. Yeah guys, I did a video about this mall a long time ago, but today it's we're in the festive season, so I needed to show you guys what is happening at this particular mall, if there are any activities, like it's a festive season, so we expect some activities taking place like on such kind of beautiful malls. So yeah, we are going to show you today this beautiful one. If you missed that video, yeah, make sure that you watch this particular one from start to finish. Yes guys, so yeah, that's the video for today. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a new video, like you guys, you shouldn't miss like any single of my upload. My name is Samson, the Roadman. Once again, let's get started. So you can see from here, you can see, what does it say? Chongwe Municipal Council welcomes you to Chongwe District. Now you've entered Chongwe District, guys. This is where the mall is. Okay guys, so you can see the crowds. It looks like, yeah, you can see the clouds. Looks like it's going to rain today. Looks like it's going to rain. Yes guys, but yeah, we are here and we are going to be touring this beautiful shopping mall. Look at the way the clouds are looking, guys, where the word ShopRite is behind. Wow, 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 wow. It looks like it's going to rain like heavily during the night, or maybe any time soon from now. It can actually rain. Like here in Zambia, right now we are experiencing like the long days, short nights. Yeah, because this time it's actually 18, it's like 6:30 p.m. but look how it's looking. People are moving like here freely. So guys, what you can see over here is the airport road. This road takes you to the airport. Yes guys, all the way to Kasisi,
tell you something crazy, like
and some other parts of Chongwe district. Okay, so this shopping mall is actually in Chongwe, and over here there's a bit of ATM. Yes guys, so let's walk around, show you how the car park is, the beautiful car parks which they have here, and then we're going to show you the shops which are here. The shops which are here, amazing shops guys. Yeah, so if you leave like oh, even lights are now coming on. So if you live like on the airport side, you can actually come here and do your shopping from here. Okay, you can actually come here and do your shopping. Some people from Chongwe area, they actually come here to do some shopping. And Choston, of course, they also come here to do their shopping. Yes guys, it's a very beautiful shopping. Also, there's another entrance over here. There's another entrance over here. And when you just enter from this side, from this entrance, what you see here is you are greeted by KFC, the Kentucky Fried Chickens, right over here guys. So if you're just here to get some fast foods, you can actually come to the Kentucky Fried Chicken right here. KFC, hello, always welcome. So yeah, you can come here, but I wanted to show you this other part of the mall again. I mean, this other side is also a car park over here. So let me show you guys how it is. Okay, so there's another car park over here, and those are delivery guys, and some taxis over there, some Uber. And then there's another entrance at the far end there, where there's a small roundabout, heading to the airport. Yes, guys. So then let me show you this side. This is how it is. Anyway, there's a bit of a car park, so parking lots are quite main. Like you can say, hey, you've run out of there's no space for parking. Hey, they do have like loads of parking spaces here. Okay, so now let's show you. Okay, so like the design for this now is like you go around here, you go around on the other side and you do your order, and then you come through on this other side. You know, you get your package. Yes, guys. So this is how it is. This is a beautiful car park. Yes, guys. But then let me take you to where the shops are. The beautiful, beautiful shops here. You can see it's evening now. It's evening now, guys, here, and you can see like it's getting dark a little bit, and the lights are now on. Yes, guys. So yeah. This is how it is. Let's walk around and show you how this is, how the mall looks like, So here there's cage, like KEG on this side. KEG on this. I love the tree here, the beautiful tree, which is called mukuyu. So mukuyu trees actually get so big, like very big, as you can see this one. Okay, and these are delivery. There's the bananas here on this other side, but here is cage. So you can watch football here. It's Cajun Fig Tree. Yes, guys. So here there's debonaires, guys, and the sitting place here, the sitting area, and kids can actually play over here. Kids can play over here. That's how it is. And then let's check out the other side of the mall. Other side of the moon. Like from here, I like to capture from a distance like this. So there's Panarotti's Pizza here. There's the Bonaire's Pizza on the other side, which I showed you guys. And of course, the corner bakery. Okay, and in here it's Waterfalls, and then there's an MTN shop. MTN Waterfalls right there. Okay, and then on this other side, of course, there's Hungry Lion. Hungry Lion is the sister company to ShopRite. Yes, guys. So at the mall, if there's ShopRite, it should be Hungry Lion somewhere. Yeah, and you can see how busy it is here. People are eating outside here, others are shopping up there. You know? So that's fast food. So Zambians also love fast foods, you know. So that's Hungry Lion over there. Then, let's see this other side. Post the standard down over there. Zamako down over there. Ah, and here people can rest. People can rest. And there's Pep, of course, here. Pep. Hey! So there's Vata here. then there's ShopRite, the largest chain store in Zambia. Yes guys, this is it. This is it. So here you can shop affordable food. It's South African owned, but there are a lot of Zambian products now, you know. That's ShopRite over here. Okay. So now, let's check out the other side of the mall as well. Let's check out the other side of the mall. So here it's a Zambian shop called Umoyo Natural Health. Umoyo Natural Health over here. And here again there's a Zamtel office. And of course, a place where you can buy some African prints. The device store. Device store this side. Let's see some watches. Some nice watches.
Yes, boss.
Yes, fine. How are you?
I'm good.
How much are the watches?
It's
Different prices.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you remember the Casio watches?
Like how much is this one?
Come out.
This one is the same with 850, but I can give you a discount.
Haha, I can give you a discount.
Yes,
850.
Yes, 850, but I can give you a nice discount, sir. It's very strong, no fading.
No fading.
No fading. If fade, I can give you the 1 year plus. Yeah, fade that I've been creating my type fund.
Zumpai.
Box once a packaging. Even box in same name.
Zumpai.
Just
Yo aliko kamtengo kabwino ni ati.
yalikuwa ya race na nguzingati budget ya zingati nuze ni boss mpase ile
Budget ya zingati.
mwana niko
Ni
ni
zingati this.
yen 500 baht but kudina yana
500 kwacha. 500 kwacha.
na yana nguvu kwa chache ani free food
50 kwacha.
yes adjustment for free. $350 kwacha. New force. Yes, but that's in 10% euro free flights. It's just for free. Na battery kufaka ya nyua. Mwene la kumizia mbira chabi.
Ya plastic ya nikago bwino. Na mtengo.
Sankani kwenye chabe bosi nuze nitata.
Ah. Hii tusanko njoni guys. Hii
Nkoro kwa tibwana bosi kota resista. Bonse wamfuno mbo tamanga mutamanga mpumuleko mwayimirira futi mfuno yamba.
oh.
Ziko mama ningi.
Yeah, boss.
We'll come back again.
For the kaoche?
Yes. This one.
So when you come, madam, I'll give you a discount.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, sir. I want to go see. It's auto resistant.
So sunto atizingati sunto.
Person 450 and 1%. Or just so they don't perform in percent and percent flat. Percent flat is 1%. Percent flat 1%. The problem millions pa mwamba ngamfuno zungurisa. Vonse mabatani zalamu vonse. This is perfect.
Okay, nzabwere for that one. Lekani bwere chi kutoka huko. Lekani bwere chi. Nzabwere. Nzabwere mda. Okay guys. So you can hear the prices for watches. I really love the watch. I really love watches, but most of the watches that I buy, I find that they don't last in terms of like battery and stuff. So hey, look at here, this is Fan City, and they normally have like beautiful furnitures here, guys. Check here. So they have like beautiful furnitures, and this other side is a competitor called the bed shop. Nice. Okay, so this concentrate on the bed side. So they have like nice beds over here in the bed shop. Okay, so this is how the mall looks like, guys. Let me know what you think about this beautiful shopping mall here. Alright. Yeah, and remember also to like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. That's the only way you can actually support my channel, guys. Please like the videos, subscribe to my channel, and share. Okay, look how beautiful the tree looks like here. The festive season. Take a look. Take a look. That's how beautiful it is here. Okay, I just want to show you again this last part of this shopping mall. It's a place where you can actually come and play futsal. Like here, they've got like 2 futsal pitches over here. Yes, guys, right here. You can come and play some futsal on artificial turf, of course. Right here, guys. So the gentlemen are actually playing over there, which is cool. And people can come, they play over there. So yes, guys. Alright, guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and share. You know, whenever I post, guys, if you like my video, it really helps the channel to actually, you know, improve, and also the videos will get to be shown to more people by YouTube, you know, because if you like the video, it means the algorithm now think, wow, this is a good video, and people will get to, and they'll get like to show it to as many people as possible, which is really helpful for me. Thank you so much, guys, for coming back. Those that have just coming back, those that have just bumped into this video today, my name is Samson, the Roadman, and I do a lot of travel videos, real estate, or should I say property review videos. Yeah, those are the type of my videos. So if you like any of those, please subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourselves.